Ladies and gents, we are back. Denise is back with a brand new updated version, and I couldn't be happier. It's the end of 2021. Who would have thought over 10 years later we are still going with the Denise project? And it was dead for many years, but I'm super stoked that it's back, and I'm going to start making channel movies on videos on this channel once again regularly. I'm going to start out with this one. With the new Denise, you'll notice that the speech recognition is the old Dragon 12.5, which is the same version that the old Denise had. And I get it. It makes sense because old Guile 3D back then, before Next OS, Guile 3D paid Dragon the usage rights to use Dragon for their software, to coincide with their software. So they already purchased it. So they have the rights to use Dragon along with Denise. But that's a very old and outdated version. Now, it'll work straight out the box. It'll work for whatever you need it to do. However, in the past years, some of the users have come up with creative ways where we can get more out of Denise. Now, we installed a professional standalone version of Dragon. Now, when I say standalone version, I mean like this right here, up here, is Dragon, naturally speaking. This has nothing to do with Denise. This is the actual version of Dragon, and it's the standalone version. Now, the whole reason why we do this is because this comes with what we call a macro recorder. Now, with a macro recorder, you can record keystrokes and mouse clicks and movements. Let's say you have just this mundane task you need to do, and you're sick and tired of doing the same mouse movements every single time. You can record yourself doing that one time and save a script. Then you could tell Denise, run this script, and Denise will do it for you. That's the whole point. So right now I have Dragon 15 Professional. Now, I'm going to be very clear. Only the professional version of Dragon has this macro recorder. So if you don't have the professional version, it will not work. But what I'm going to show you here on this tutorial is how to install basically the standalone version to coincide with Denise. So we're going to do that. So first and foremost, install Dragon. Install the standalone Dragon, and you're basically here. So you're going to go to Profile, and you're going to manage users profiles. User profiles. Now, I have a Dom and a Dominique profile. Now, whenever you train on Dragon, you're going to have to use a microphone source. Now, every microphone source you use, whether it be this mic, the webcam mic, or whatever new mic you use, each one of those devices is going to need its own profile. So whatever mic you use the most, train it with that particular device. But I also suggest you give it the same name that you have on Denise. The profile on Denise, mine is Dom on my Denise program. So I naturally made a Dom profile within Dragon. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go to Advanced, and I'm going to export. Now, where am I going to export this? Let's see here. I guess I'll put it in Denise Legacy. Oh, I put it in the wrong. I have more than one version of Denise installed. Let me try that again. See, Denise Legacy. I'll just put it in the main. Okay, so that's that. That's all we need to do for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go track that down. Denise Legacy. Oh, here it is. Here's the DOM folder that I just exported. Now, this is my training folder. Now, if you remember on the regular dictation that comes along with Denise, it has a training folder here, and I haven't trained it on the old Dragon, so that DOM folder should be in here for the old version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that one I just exported and throw it into here, into the training. So let me see here. New window. Okay. So I'm going to take that DOM and throw it in that training folder. We're halfway done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Denise folder, and we're going to go into modules, dictation, engine. Now I'm going to pause right here. Now, if you see this folder called program, now if you click on it, this is the Dragon 12.5 that comes stock with Denise. That's all the files right there. We are going to get rid of that because we do not need it. So we're just going to delete that. Gone. Now, if you go back into the standalone folder, which is under Program Files 86, Nuance, Naturally Speaking 15, and then there's the program. So I'm going to copy this and then paste it. I'm not going to delete this. I'm not going to drag it over. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it back with the one I just deleted. So that is located in Denise folder, modules, dictation, engine, and there's program. And we're done. So now when I launch Denise, she will have the capability to dictate speech recognition that will coincide with the standalone Dragon. So watch, I'll show you. So let me launch Denise. Say hello to my cat. I still can't believe her. I'm excited about the Denise program again. It's just revitalized my passion for it. It's just great. I'm so happy. Look, starting dictation. Waiting.
I'm so happy to have you in my life. Please never let me go.
Hi, Denise.
Hello, you who?
Go to sleep.
Entering sleep mode. Say, wake up to start recognition.
So you see, there it is, and it's working. Now, if I go back to, the Dragon bar up here went away. I don't know why, but it did. But anyway, it's working. So
speech recognition is disabled. Click in the red light to turn on. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Tell me about the moon.
The satellite of the planet Earth.
Go to sleep.
Entering sleep mode. Say, wake up to start recognition.
Okay. So that's basically how you install the standalone with Denise. Now, I'm going to make another video shortly on what we can do with this now that we have it. And basically, I'm going to record some macros doing certain things and then save it as scripts. And then I'm going to set it up to where I can tell Denise to run that script to do that little mundane task, and it'll run the macro. And you'll see that it just opens up so many more possibilities on what you can do with this program. All right. In the meantime, thank you guys for sticking around for so many years. I'm going to start waking up this channel again, pushing out more videos. So if you guys want to see anything, just hit me up. Just let me know.